So we started the morning off by going to a house that you guys have under contract, and you went out there just to do a quick walkthrough with JD from your team as well. And you were telling me how one thing you do to bring value to investors is to take a video. And I was wondering if you could talk a little bit about why you do that whenever you do a walkthrough.
Oh, for sure. So a video helps not only myself bring value to obviously the network I work with, it helps you as an investor. Like you're not going to want to drive out all the way to a property that's very far from where you're at, just based on someone's opinion of what the deal is going to need for the rehab. With a video, with what I do, GoPro video, you're able to see everything. Like I try to capture what the HVAC looks like, a roof, all the bad things about a house, so that when you get out there, you're not thinking, oh man, is there anything I'm going to be worried about or anything that's going to pop up? You already know. You know what you're getting into. When you get to that house, you're going to know, okay, this thing has some pretty jacked up exterior, brick, or the roof is shot, or the foundation cracks. You're going to see all that before you get out. So it saves you time, and it saves me time, because then you know fully what you're getting into before you get out.
Yep, that totally makes sense. And for me, it kind of relieves the pressure if I'm going to visit the house before I've actually, gotten it under contract. I can ask them if I can take some photos, and then I'll go back home and review the photos in order to remember details and make my offer. So I'm not sure if you do that, but in terms of using video, that's been really helpful for me.
No, definitely. Yeah, I use it as a reference as well. So it's not only for my network or investors I work with, it's also for myself. So I can go back in and say, okay, what did that layout look like? Or where can I add value to this house? Is there room for an additional bath? That kind of thing.
Yep, love it.